In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change or update product price on stanstore. In order to do that, you first need to head over to www.stan.store, and into this part, proceed to click onto this sign up option in order to create an account, or you can also click onto this continue option that we can see right here. Now, if you already have an account, proceed to click on this login option instead. So let me head over and then log in. Here is my stanstore. On your left sidebar, which is in this part, click on this My Store option. Once you're in here, you can see in here your landing pages, your store products that you have. I have in here this particular product. Let's click on this right here. So once you have clicked on it, it will open the product editor. Into this page, click on this checkout page. Scroll down. Here we have the description, title, bottom title, call to action, and right here we can see the set price. Right now it's set around $9.99. Let's change that into $20.99. And as you can see, it will also update in here automatically on your free view. You can also input right here a discounted price. For example, let's add it at around $14.99, and this is what it would look like. You can proceed to collect information based on this, upload your digital product that you will actually use, and after that, proceed to click onto this publish. And after that, you should be able to publish this particular product that you have onto your actual stand store. So that's all there is today. I hope this video actually helped you to change or update your product price on your store. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, comment them down below.